Hello, everyone. My name is Naama Gabbay, and I'm a certified light language teacher by the Curanderos lineage. So today I want to share with you some more secrets about the light language, why light language is so beneficial to your life. So if I tell you that you can learn the language of the universe, the language of all that exists, the language of the trees and the flowers and the wind and the water and your body and your thoughts and your feelings and your dreams, all this is connected with one pure language that is serving all. So if you can learn this language, how would you feel? How would your life look like? I can tell you, it would be wonderful, because then you can manifest, you can realize things that are truly aligned with your heart and with your soul. Imagine that you are requesting and you are asking from the universe, the great spirit, all that exists. You are asking the pure essence of your demand, of your wish. And that is going beyond the manipulation of the words, and sometimes also the manipulation of the feelings. And when I say manipulation, it can be also subconsciously. But when you learn light language and when you use it for the highest good of all, for your benefits, when you use it to transform, to heal, to change your reality, a certain situation in your life, then you can ask exactly, but exactly what you want to manifest. And this is the power of light language. It doesn't get distracted, neither by words, neither by the ego, or neither by fantasies. Learning light language can be amazing, beneficial for life. And I have so many examples that I can give you also from my life, grids that really helped me a lot. Imagine that you can apply directly to the universe, you can apply directly the pure essence of your wish, of your dream, of your need. Imagine that you can say your needs in the most clear, pure, profound way, communicate it with the universe, with all the elements actually that are replying you back, that are supplying you the answer for what you're asking. And because you ask it in a very clear and precise way, guess what? You receive a clear and precise answer. So this is one of the great benefits of light language. This is one of the great advantage to work with light language and to use it in your daily life, because it is bringing you exactly what you're asking. So we already know how it works when we speak, and also when we think, and also with our feelings. Sometimes we're not coherent with that. Sometimes we hide something. Sometimes we present another image rather than what we truly feel inside. And with light language, we cannot do that. And we don't do that because light language is bringing the pure essence of everything that exists. And that includes also your needs and your dreams and your wishes and whatever you want to manifest. So imagine that you learn how to use these beautiful geometric shapes, and you learn also the properties of each of these shapes, and you know how to use it, when to use it, and which colors, and how it serves you. And then you learn how to put it in a grid, And then you learn how to activate this grid in your energetic field, that these shapes are working with you 24/7. And all this is vibrating and resonating with the universe and attracting you back what you're asking for. Because when you become the frequency, when you become the vibration of what you ask, of what you need, of what you dream of, then it comes to you. Because we already know a universal law, the same attract the same. Like same energy attract the same energy. It is magnetizing. So you become the frequency. You become the energy of what you want to manifest. And this is how it works in light language. And you learn how to do that in the light language courses that I give by the Curanderos lineage. So I prepared for you a little presentation about light language that you can feel the frequencies, that you can feel what it gives you actually. So let's have a look. So as you can see, light language is very rich, is very vast, and there are so many possibilities and opportunities that you can create with. So if you're interested to learn light language with me via Zoom, you are welcome to go on my website, naamahealing.com, and see for more information there. I will put the link down below, and you can join one of the courses, one of the initiations. I will be very happy to see you there. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.